Hi and welcome back. I am going to be doing a palette bingo with the Natasha Denona Lila palette. I have not done a palette bingo with this ever. And Elle S just did one and she inspired me to do a palette bingo. So that's what I'm doing. I put all of the names of the eyeshadows into Decision Roulette. This is kind of a cool app. So I'm going to choose 4 shades and hopefully it goes okay. So my first one, Nude Vino. Nude Vino is this one up at the top. I'm going to swatch that on my arm. All right, I remember. I turned the sound down because that was super obnoxious. Cyclone. I love Cyclone. Cyclone is like the duochrome peachy pink color. Elle actually got that one chosen in her palette bingo as well. Okay, so far so good. 2 more. Layla. Which one is Layla? Ew, I don't like Layla. Okay, so Layla is a shadow that I hit pan in like accidentally just from playing with it. It's kind of a dark color, but it's shimmery. Like a grayish. I don't know. I don't even know how to describe this color, but I don't necessarily like it. So much so that I never touch it. I literally hit pan in it, just playing with it. Okay, one more. Because as of right now, this is a super boring look. Dragonbite. I love Dragonbite. Dragonbite and Cyclone are like 2 of my favorite colors. That's this one down here. It's like a reddish brown shifty color. What in the heck am I gonna do with that? All right, I'm gonna take Nude Vino then on a Wing Gloss number 17. This is the one that I have been using. This brush is what I have been using. I'm probably gonna stick to how I normally do my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna do one eye. Do the other one and then come back. So we are pretty well settled into our rental house for now. If you've been following along with my move and my just kind of craziness in my brain, we're pretty good and settled. We are not going to be in this particular house for forever. We're waiting on another house to open up. That way we can move, but we don't know when, when that is going to be. So all of our stuff is still in storage and it's whatever. I'm going to take Bobbi Brown's Grayish shadow stick and I'm going to line my lower lash line with this. I noticed that I kind of need something on my lower lash line for these shadows to stick to lately. And I'm going to take the Sonia G pencil 2 brush. It's just a pencil brush. I'm going to go into Layla. Put that on my lower lash line. And blend that out on the bottom. And some more of Layla and put that like really deep into my crease and then a little bit onto my lid. Every time I look at Dragonbite on top of Layla, I really like it. So I'm going to take the same pencil brush and Dragonbite, and I'm going to actually put that, because this is pretty dark. And give it a little bit more color. Just in the middle. I think I'm going to put Dragonbite all over my lid. I'm going to use some glitter glue by Too Faced and just a synthetic shader brush. I put a little tiny bit on, just enough to cover my lid space. Once that is tacky, I have been loving, where did I put it? Loving this little Smith 253 brush. It looks like an arrowhead and it's super skinny, but for packing shadows, especially metallics, onto the lid, they make a bigger one. I'm gonna wind up getting the bigger version of this brush. It is beautiful, beautiful brush. With the same brush, I'm going to go into Cyclone. Just pick it up like that. I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Ooh. It might be a little bit too pigmented, so I'm actually going to take the blending brush and blend it a little bit. Cyclone again and bring it down on my lower lash line. Same little Smith brush, back into Layla. I'm going to deepen up like the outer V using this shadow. That. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Nude Vino again. And my one cheat shade Brulee to help blend that out. These mattes are like ridiculously pigmented, and sometimes it's hard to get like a softer blend on them. When I come back, this eye is going to be done and my face is going to be done, and I will let you know blush and lips that I used. I have been wearing foundation. I found these deluxe samples of this Urban Decay Makeup Forever foundation, and I really like it. And plus, I've been so broken out just trying to get used to this new climate that I haven't been comfortable in my skin, and I've been really tired, so my dark circles are like insane. But I will tell you everything whenever I come back. Okay. Thank you, Palette Bingo, and for everybody on Instagram that answered my poll that said I should do this, because Dragonbite and Cyclone together are like, oh, so good. I think I'm gonna go find some like natural light so you guys can see. I love this look. It is super fancy. Like I'm wearing a tank top and I'm probably going to put on my raggedy old shorts, but I don't even care. So for my foundation that I have been liking lately, it's a Makeup Forever Ultra HD. It somehow has been holding up in this heat. This shade is Y245. It's pretty yellow, but come on, camera. But it works really well on my skin, and I like the coverage it gives. I'm looking a little bit washed out right now, but I'll go out in the light so that way you guys can see. My blush is Peachtwist by MAC. I like this blush. It's a little bit hard to build up though without looking like too clownish. I could probably put some more on. My highlight is Opal by Becca because it has a gold undertone. And my lips are American Woman by NARS. This is their Power Matte Lip Pigment. I really, really like this. I have 2 of these and it's just a mini size, but I really like these. They're quite nice. So that is the final look. I am in love with this color combo. I kind of cheated by putting color on top of Layla. But now that I know what Dragonbite... Come on, focus on my face. Now that I know what Dragonbite looks like on top of Layla, I think I'm going to do that some more because, I mean, I don't loathe entirely Layla. It's just a shade that I didn't really know what to do with, but it worked out and I'm happy with that. So this is very shimmery. I think it would be a good like night out type of look, but honestly I never go out ever at night, so there's that. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! I'm in my kitchen. Maybe that works. Alright, you see Cyclone on my inner corner. It's a shifty color, and then Dragonbite on my lid. Come on. Okay. I love this. I really, really, really like this look. Me gusta. Okay.